'08 Buick LaCrosse or something, isn't it? Okay, what we've done here is hooked up an exhaust back pressure gauge. The symptom is at RPMs above 2,500, it starts to really have a power issue. Okay, and so looking at the gauge, that's at 2,500 RPM. It's pegging my gauge for exhaust back pressure. Let off, go back to idle. So tilt the gauge a little bit, there we go. So at idle, we should be over here in the green anyway, less than 2 PSI. Back at idle, it should be less than 1 PSI. But at idle, it's still in the red, and out here is the 2,500 RPM range. Go ahead and rev it one more time. So there's 2,500 now, pegged it. That's good and plug. Good, thank you.